Hey there, this is Tristan Schmidt. I'm going to show you my progress on my game this week. So I was able to get a little bit of a power-up system working. It's not quite working exactly the way that I want it to. And I have some bugs with my level generation system. But pretty much what I have been trying to get to work is I made this scriptable object that goes in and can change the speed of the level as it's passing through. And so pretty much what this does is that it takes then the speed of the level spawn handler here. And I was using the scriptable objects for this. I've gone between using that or not. I was using these scriptable objects to try to separate it so that it would only trigger when it hits the player object and not when it hits any triggerable object. That wasn't quite working the way that I wanted to, and so the closest that I got to was doing it this way, which was having it directly access my level spawn handler here, which has its own speed component here. And so all this does is it accesses that, and then through that script it can update the speed here, and then I just specify what speed I want it to be updated to. Now the issue that I'm having is when I hit play, the levels will go through and then it'll spawn the next one like I want it to, but then it only spawns that one, and it doesn't do it again after that. I'm not quite sure why. And so you'll see it spawns the next one. That one's moving slightly faster because the new speed was applied to it when the power up here interacted. So that's working as intended. And if you look at our console log, it does say speed was updated here and went all the way up to 250. So that is functioning, although the main issue that I'm having is just that the level is not spawning each time that it goes through like it should be. And because of that, it kind of halts my progress on a lot of these other things because I kind of need that to be working at its core so I can get the rest of these things working. Because what I would like to have is have a inventory system where when the player picks up one of these power-ups, that it will be displayed in like the bottom right corner, so that they can always see what power-ups that they currently have turned on. And so yeah, but that's where I'm at right now. This at its core is functioning in the way that I want it to. I just got to tweak a few things, but that's all I have for you for this week, so I'll see you in the next one.